we're going to make sure that our homepage is mobile optimized. So let's do mobile. As you can see here, not so good at first glance. So I think because we added the paddings here, so the mobile is, yeah, it's messed up as well. So we're going to here and make sure that the padding is 0. So let's not mind it for now. Let's go here and check out the paddings. Let's update the padding here. Let's do 100, 150, because this should be one line. So I think that's good. Here we can go put a center. No, here is good. Let's fix the size. Let's do 2 lines. That's good. This one, let's make it bigger. Mm. I don't like the space here. Book a free consult is a bit big. That's okay. But it's blah, it's bleeding out of our hero image. So I think we need to fix. So let's update this to 150 as well. Okay. Featured service. Let's do 1 line. Then this one, paddings removed. Typography 18 still. These are okay. This one, I think this can be smaller. And Let's make the image bigger. I don't want the padding. Okay. The image is a bit blurry, so we're going to it's a bigger photo. So we're just going to copy this one and paste it here. I think it's too close, so we're going to add a padding at the top, 50. Yeah. Okay. So got questions. That's good. This one, let's remove the padding. Make the text bigger. This one, let's make the text smaller because it doesn't look right, doesn't fit. Okay. We're just going to remove the margins we did before. So yeah, I think that's good. Now we're going to do tablet. Let's go back to the top. See here it's overflowing. Edit section. 150 or 200. Oops. 200. 200. Or let's do 150. No, 200 is good. Yeah, that looks good. Um, let's make this text smaller. Then this bigger. This one, 50. Adding here, 50. Mhm. This one, let's make the icon smaller. Content, top, spacing. It's good. Uh, Typography, size, just enough so it fits. That's 14. I think we could lessen the padding. Mm, okay, so I updated the size and the margins. Yeah, that looks better. Just do this. Okay, so I think we're done with the mobile optimization.